Muskan Arora. My school name is Kindergarten. Today I'll talk about hen. Hen is a bird. Hen is also called a rooster. Hen is foreign. Hen is egg. We have to eat your egg. And can't fly high. And has a song like beak. And makes sounds like kukuroko, kukuroko. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.